first impressions of the Aria from Atmos Projects. So, I'm just gonna play a little bit with it and tell you what I think about it. I'm very stoked to throw this because I've never ever had a titanium yo-yo, so this is special. There it is. And if y'all don't know, no other like metal, I don't think does this, but if you flick titanium, it has a really nice ring to it that like aluminum doesn't have. Wow. Well, it's got good response pads. That's for sure. Wow. Oh yeah, solid. Oh yeah, man, 5-star on the response pads. Those are great. Yeah, it's definitely heavier. I think I looked at the weight, it's like 68 grams, so that's definitely heavier than like most yo-yos, but it is titanium, so that probably affects it a little bit. Man, yeah, it's smooth. High quality. But I mean, you know, it's Atmos Project, so I mean, I do kind of expect that. So, yeah, 5-star. They, I had expectations and they fulfilled them. So yeah, hope y'all like that. I just thought I'd do haven't really ever done like a first impressions video, so I thought I'd do that, kind of mix it up a little bit. So yeah, please like, subscribe if you haven't already, and see you next time.